everyone, welcome to our Review Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of beauty brands. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and put a thumbs up to this video if you like it. So today we're talking about foundation that would be perfect for oily, acne-prone skin. And it's going to be affordable, so drugstore makeup. This is Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Plus Matte Foundation. It actually says here that it's specifically made for normal to oily skin. It has definitely a wide variety of colors, so it should be a problem to find the color that's good for your skin. It does not have any SPF in that probably a little downside. What this product promises us to do, the finishing is not really full coverage, so I would say medium coverage, not sheer definitely, but the finish is really seamless and sort of like natural, I would say, if you find the color that matches your face. It's lightweight, which is important for oily skin, so you don't feel like all these greasy things on top. And I think that sometimes after using this foundation, you would not even need setting powder because it's already mattifying and kind of like stays in place. Another thing that this foundation promises to do is to minimize your pores, also like sort of blur the pores, and what's important, control the shine. You can apply this with the applicator or with your fingers. Make sure they're clean. The applicator is also clean. And if you look at the ingredients, I'm looking at the ingredients now, it doesn't contain fragrance. It contains other things which people who are using natural products, would not love, like titanium dioxide, things like that. So this is the foundation for oily skin, which definitely mattifies. Not sure how good it blurs the pores, but the mattifying and oil prevention function it provides. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up. See you later. Bye.